Over 100 million Indonesians are expected to travel hundreds and possibly over 1,000 kilometers to their hometowns and recreational centers to spend the Christmas and New Year holidays. While heavier than usual traffic is a common phenomenon on such long holidays, travelers are also reminded of recurring threat of COVID-19, and seasonal diseases are frequently revisiting incidents of natural disasters.
That time of the year, watery weather, seasonal illnesses, and anticipated natural disasters like flooding and landslides is coming. But it is also the holiday season. Christmas is nearing, and New Year will follow. This is also the time to get busy spending quality and relaxed time with family and friends. The government is prepared to face an influx of travelers for the upcoming holiday, as millions of Indonesians are expected to pack the roads and cities across the archipelago through the end of the year. A recent survey by the Transportation Ministry reveals that 107 million people, or 40% of the country's population, are planning to travel during this Christmas and New Year holiday. The number of travelers is double last year's figure, although it has yet to reach the pre-pandemic level. The survey also concludes that around 40 million of the travelers will drive cars, 20 million others will ride motorbikes, while the rest will use mass transportation modes like train, buses, ships, and airplanes. Close to half, or around 45% of the holidaymakers, are expected to visit popular tourist destinations such as Yogyakarta, Bandung in West Java, and the Island of Gods, Bali. In anticipation, the government has readied more than 45,000 buses, 1,500 ships, and 1,700 trains to accommodate the year-end surge of travelers. The Transportation Ministry has prepared measures to prevent traffic congestion, especially in regions expected to see an increase of travelers, such as imposing contraflow traffic schemes with the police on several toll roads. Authorities will also enforce a travel ban for cargo trucks on national and toll roads between December 22nd and 26th and December 29th, 2023 to January 2nd, 2024. The restriction will not apply to trucks carrying food, fuel, and other essential items. Unfortunately, a year since the removal of social mobility restrictions at the end of last year, there has been increasing cases lately of new variants of respiratory illnesses of COVID-19 despite the vacationing mood. The Health Ministry has urged greater vigilance amid a recent increase in cases of new COVID-19 subvariants both in the country and around the globe. According to the ministry's data, there were 2,661 active COVID-19 cases detected by health authorities as of Thursday, with 453 new cases on the same day. The ministry also recorded 9 deaths caused by COVID-19 since 2 weeks ago. EG5, informally dubbed Aries, and EG2 have become the dominant Omicron subvariants in Indonesia. EG5 infection shows symptoms similar to those of other subvariants, including fever, fatigue, a runny nose, and sore throat. Since it was reported to the World Health Organization in February, EG5 have spread to more than 90 countries, including China, the United States, and Singapore. The Omicron subvariant currently makes up slightly over half of the COVID-19 variants circulating globally due to its immune escape properties or its ability to evade the human body's immune system. Earlier this month, the Singaporean health authorities advised vigilance after the island state saw the number of estimated COVID-19 infections doubled to some 22,000 in the week from February 19th to 25th, compared with an estimated 10,700 cases the week prior. Malaysia recorded a 57% increase in its weekly caseload during the final week of November, from some 2,300 cases to the previous week, with the majority of cases experiencing only mild symptoms. The government has advised the people who are not feeling well as the elderly to wear masks, and that anyone with symptoms and comorbidity should see a doctor or other health workers. The Health Ministry has also urged people to postpone travelling to countries currently experiencing a surge in COVID-19 cases. On the other hand, the Meteorology, Climatology and Geophysics Agency of BMKG has also warned of the potential for flooding hazards in several provinces during the year-end holiday, as the country has entered the rainy season. Last month, heavy rains caused flooding and landslides in several regions, including Aceh, North Sumatra, Riau Island and West Kalimantan. Needless to say, news of flooding in Jakarta is bound to come. Year-end is approaching and people are already in the holiday mood. Still, they need to exercise extra caution and restraint amidst increased holiday mobility and continuously increasing COVID-19 cases, and in anticipation of unfriendly weather and the impact of natural disasters.